Though I normally feature anime songs on this series, I decided to pick a song that has nothing to do with anime. Released in 2000, 地上の星 was written and composed by Nakajima Miyuki, one of the most prolific Japanese singer-songwriters of all time. Nakajima composed this song as the opening theme for the TV program Project X 挑戦者たち which aired between 2000 and 2005 on NHK. I chose this song mainly because of the nostalgia factor that comes with having been forced to watch several episodes of this show at school. Title: 地上の星 Stars on Earth. The title is an oxymoron, as 地, the ground or earth, is usually juxtaposed with 星 stars. Verse 1, Line 1. 風の中のスバル 風の中 in the wind modifies the noun スバル the Pleiades. You may have heard Subaru from the Japanese automobile company Subaru, which was named after the Japanese name for the Pleiades. In English, the name of this asterism derives from Greek mythology, in which Zeus turned the 7 daughters of Atlas and Pleione into stars. The Pleiades is part of the constellation Taurus, the bull. It is not clear exactly what Subaru in this line is supposed to be. Is it 7 women or a bull? Verse 1, Line 2. 砂の中の銀河 砂の中 in the sand modifies the noun 銀河 galaxy. A galaxy is a massive collection of stars. If we assume that each star represents a human being, then this line might be a metaphor for the billions of people that inhabit this planet. Verse 1, Line 3. みんなどこへ行った The noun みんな everyone seems to refer to the stars in the Pleiades and the galaxy mentioned in the previous lines. The question phrase どこへ means where. The verb 行った is the past tense of 行く to go. The whole sentence is the question, where has everyone gone? Verse 1, Line 4. 見送られることもなく The verb phrase 見送る is to see someone off or to see someone leave. This verb phrase is in the passive voice, as in 見送られる. The noun こと turns this verb phrase into a noun phrase. The phrase 何々もなく means without even. So lines 3 and 4 together mean where has everyone gone without even getting a send-off. Verse 2, Line 1. 草原のペガサス 草原 means a grassy plain or a meadow. Pegasus, is a winged stallion in Greek mythology. One of its roles was to carry lightning and thunder for Zeus. Pegasus is also a constellation named after this mythical creature. The particle no connects 2 adjacent noun phrases. So the Pegasus seems to be in a meadow. I don't know what the Pegasus symbolizes, but it is interesting that Nakajima picked a creature that belongs to both the ground and the sky. Verse 2, Line 2. 街角のヴィーナス 街角 means a street corner. Venus is the second planet from the Sun in our solar system after Mercury, and it is also the closest planet to Earth. In Japanese, Venus is called 金星, which literally means the gold planet or the metal planet. In Roman mythology, Venus is the goddess of beauty and love. Verse 2, Line 3. This line is identical to verse 1, Line 3. Verse 2, Line 4. 見守られることもなく This line is almost the same as verse 1, Line 4. 見送られることもなく The only difference is that in this line, the verb phrase is 見守られる instead of 見送られる The verb 見守る is to watch over or to watch protectively, and it is in the passive voice 見守られる So lines 3 and 4 together mean where has everyone gone without having anyone to watch over them. Chorus 1, Line 1. 地上にある星を誰も覚えていない The phrase 何々にある means to be located in. So 地上にある星 is stars on earth. The accusative marker, o, indicates that this noun phrase is the direct object of the verb phrase, 覚える, to remember. 誰も何々ない means no one. So this line says, no one remembers the stars on earth. Chorus 1, line 2. 人は空ばかり見てる. The noun 人 usually means people in general. The topic marker は in this case indicates the subject. The noun 空 the sky is followed by ばかり meaning only. The verb phrase 見てる is short for 見ている. 見る is to see or look. The auxiliary verb いる expresses the continuous or progressive aspect. So people in general are looking only at the sky instead of the stars that dwell on Earth. Combining lines 1 and 2, we finally understand the message of this song. The stars on Earth, including the Pleiades, the galaxy full of stars, the Pegasus, and Venus, are some of the unsung heroes that live among us on this planet, whose contributions to our lives are completely overshadowed by the stars in the sky, or those who do get credit for the work they do. Chorus 1, line 3. ツバメよ、高い空から教えてよ、地上の星を。ツバメ is a swallow, a type of bird. The vocative particle yo is used to indicate that the protagonist of this song is talking to or addressing the swallow, similarly to how the exclamation O is used in English poetry, as in, O Zeus, smite me. The adjective 高い high modifies the noun 空 the sky. The particle から means from. The verb 教える means to teach or to tell. This verb is followed by the particle て which adds the meaning of order, as well as the particle よ which adds the connotation that the protagonist is pleading. The noun phrase 地上の星 the stars on earth is followed by the accusative marker を meaning this is the direct object of the verb phrase 教えてよ. So in this line, the protagonist is pleading with the swallow flying high in the sky to tell them about the stars on earth. Chorus 1, line 4. ツバメよ、地上の星は今どこにあるのだろう. Once again, the protagonist is talking to the swallow by saying ツバメよ. The topic marker は after 地上の星 indicates the topic or the subject. 今 means now. The question word どこに means where. The verb ある means to exist. The phrase 何々のだろう indicates a question or a wondering. So the protagonist is wondering about the current whereabouts of the stars on Earth. Verse 3, line 1. 崖の上のジュピター. The noun 崖 is a cliff, so 崖の上 on a cliff. This noun phrase is connected by the particle の to the following noun, Jupiter, Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in our solar system. Just like Venus, Jupiter is a figure from Roman mythology and is known as the god of the sky and thunder. In Japanese, the planet Jupiter is called 木星, translated literally as the wood planet or the tree planet. Verse 3, line 2. 水底のシリウス. The noun 水底 means the bottom of a body of water, likely the bottom of the ocean. Sirius or Sirius is known as the dog star, located in the constellation Canis Major. It is also known for its luminosity that earned it the epithet of the brightest star. In Greek mythology, Sirius is the dog, owned by the hunter, Orion. I don't know why there's a dog on the seabed. Is it dead? Lines 3 and 4 are identical to lines 3 and 4 in verse 2. Chorus 2, line 1. 名だたるものを追って. The verb phrase 名だたる acts like an adjective and means well known or famous. This word modifies the following noun, もの person. The accusative marker を shows that this noun phrase is the direct object of the verb 追う to follow or to pursue. This verb is in the conjunctive form, 追って, which connects one verb phrase to another. In this case, the verb phrases in lines 1 and 2 are conjoined. Chorus 2, line 2. 輝くものを追って. The verb 輝く to shine modifies the noun もの person. Just like in the previous line, the verb phrase 追って is in the conjunctive form, connecting it to line 3. In lines 1 and 2, both 名だたるもの and 輝くもの may stand for those who get credit for what they do, the polar opposite of 地上の星, the stars on earth, who are forgotten or ignored. Alternatively, these noun phrases may stand for the fame and wealth that people in general tend to seek. Chorus 2, line 3. 人は氷ばかりつかむ. The noun 人 means people in general. The topic marker は indicates that 人 is the topic or the subject of this line. The noun 氷 means ice. The adverb ばかり means only. The verb つかむ means to grab. So people in general grab only ice. It is not clear as to exactly what ice symbolizes in this line, but it can be speculated that ice could be a symbol of something that disappears quickly once you hold it in your hand, with the implication being that fame and money seldom last. The rest of the lyrics are repeated.